Do you want to finish the week nice and strong? Let's see what you learned this week because we have weekly recap. So we learned how to say YAXIN for near, close, nearby. We learned how to say abonent for subscriber, account holder, or customer. We learned how to say blabbermouth for Boşboğaz. We learned how to say GÜNDELİK for diary and things daily. We learned how to say Bərbad. Bərbad is terrible, awful. We learned how to say TÄCİLİ for things that are immediate and urgent. TÄCİLİ yardım, ambulance. We learned how to say DANIŞMAQ when you need to talk or speak. Now, yes, we had some dad joke uses. Let's take a look at some of those. If his luck were a movie, the reviews would say just Bərbad. Now, the deadline is YAXIN, my progress is not. If it's a secret, don't tell Boşboğaz. Tell a wall instead. Dear ABONENTs, continue watching us daily to learn more Azerbaijani words and phrases. I understand it's TÄCİLİ, and I'm on it right after my coffee. Let's do a little quiz. Which word means awful? Drop in the comments below. Don't worry about the letters that you don't have on your keyboard. Just type in something closest one. Come back tomorrow because we're starting new week with new set of 7 words. And make sure you come back daily because remember, consistency is the fluency. Check masterazerbaijani.com as well, where I post every 10 days about how to learn Azerbaijani, about cultural aspects of learning Azerbaijani, and about, in general, how to learn it fast and much more fun way. But I'll see you tomorrow for a new set of words. Cheers.